In this video, you will learn how you can change the color of background in Canva. For this, you can first select the canvas. Have you seen this one? The canvas is selected. Now here you have seen the background color. Select on background color, and here are some colors combinations. You can select any color to change the background color according to your theme or video. Which combination you like, you can change it like this. In this way you can change the background color in Canva. Thanks for watching this video. Other things will be in the next video. Kindly subscribe my channel so that you can get any notification for the upcoming videos.